Hitachi, the electronics maker in Japan, has created the device called business microscope, which looks like a badge or ID card and contains chips and sensors to record an employee's behavior. Kazuo Yano, the CEO of Hitachi Central Research Laboratory, used this sensor to measure a huge amount of data on encounters totaling 1 million days for office workers. This data contains information about meeting people in various fields, from managers to new employees, from technical to sales positions. As a result of interpreting this big data, it was found that the probability of encountering the separated person again decreases as time passes after the last encountering. This means that if the time after encountering someone at the end and breaking up is t, the probability of encountering again decreases in proportion to 1/t. For example, assuming that it's been an hour since you broke up with the field manager John, the probability of encountering him again is p/2 after 2 hours, and p/3 after 3 hours. In other words, the longer it takes to encounter again after breaking up at the end, the more difficult it becomes to encounter. Kazuo Yano calls it the law of 1/t. There is a proverb that goes, "Out of sight, out of mind." This means that no matter how close you are, if you don't meet for a long time, your relationship will grow apart. This measurement result is meaningful in that it proved this proverb by big data.